Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Shark Matrix Clean Robot Vacuum AV2511AE. I've been looking through the internet and analyzing its specifications, features, and overall value. And if you're looking for a robot vacuum that offers strong cleaning performance, smart navigation, and the convenience of a self-emptying dock without spending flagship money, this Shark model deserves a serious look. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The biggest strength of the Matrix Clean is its powerful suction. Whether you're cleaning hardwood floors, tile, rugs, or carpets, it picks up dust, crumbs, pet hair, and everyday debris with impressive consistency. For homes with both hard floors and carpeted rooms, the vacuum automatically adapts to different surfaces, delivering reliable cleaning throughout the house. What makes this model stand out is Shark's Matrix Clean technology. Instead of making a single pass like many robot vacuums, it follows a precision grid pattern and revisits areas multiple times for a noticeably deeper clean. This is especially useful in high-traffic areas or places where dirt tends to accumulate. The included self-emptying base adds a huge level of convenience. It automatically empties the dust bin after each cleaning session and can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris. Since the base is bagless, you also avoid the ongoing expense of purchasing replacement dust bags, making long-term ownership more affordable. Pet owners will appreciate the self-cleaning brush roll. Hair wrap is one of the biggest frustrations with robot vacuums, but Shark's design actively reduces tangles while continuing to pick up pet fur efficiently. Combined with the strong suction, it's well suited for homes with dogs or cats that shed regularly. Navigation is another highlight. The built-in 360-degree LiDAR system quickly maps your home and creates accurate room layouts for efficient cleaning. It also detects obstacles and works well even in low-light conditions, allowing it to clean day or night without relying on bright lighting. Battery performance is solid as well. With up to 90 minutes of runtime, the robot can clean a large portion of your home on a single charge. If the battery gets low before finishing, it automatically returns to the dock, recharges, and then resumes cleaning exactly where it left off without starting over. Smart features make everyday use simple. Through the Shark Clean app, you can schedule cleaning sessions, start or stop the robot remotely, and target specific areas whenever needed. It also supports Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control cleaning with simple voice commands. The overall build quality feels durable and setup is straightforward. Once the initial mapping process is complete, daily operation becomes almost completely hands-free, making it easy to maintain clean floors with very little effort. After reviewing everything the Shark Matrix Clean AV2511AE offers, it's clear this robot vacuum focuses on combining powerful cleaning with practical convenience. The Matrix Clean technology, strong suction, self-emptying bagless base, LiDAR navigation, self-cleaning brush roll, smart app controls, and recharge and resume functionality all work together to provide an excellent automated cleaning experience. So should you buy it? If you're looking for a dependable robot vacuum that performs well on both carpets and hard floors while minimizing maintenance through its self-emptying base and anti-hair wrap brush roll, then yes, I think the Shark Matrix Clean AV2511AE is an excellent choice. It delivers many premium features at a competitive price and is especially worthwhile for busy households and pet owners. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.